Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. Per viewer's request, this week I'm going to show you trigger points for toe pain. When you have pain in your body, the source of pain may be local to the painful area, or it could be somewhere else. Trigger points often cause this referred pain somewhere else. For pains in the toes, there are several possibilities. For today's video, I'm using Real Bodyworks Trigger Points interactive app to show the trigger points. This app is awesome. I'll put the link in the description. Blue X is the trigger point. Blue shaded area is the referred pain. For the toe pain, the trigger points may be found in the shin muscles. For a pain in the big toe, the trigger point may be found in tibialis anterior, which flexes the entire foot from the ankle. Your mission is to see if you have the trigger point in this muscle. Flex your foot and follow the big muscle. The trigger point will be located about hand width from the kneecap. If you find a tight, tender spot, massage it out with slow, short strokes 10 times at a time with a hook thumb supported by the other hook thumb or supported fingers. If you have a tool such as Novel or Theracane, definitely use it to save your hands. The trigger point for the big toe may also be found in Extensor Hallucis, which lifts up the big toe. I added the yellow part since the app doesn't show the exact muscle, which is kind of hidden anyway. To find the trigger point, lift up the big toe and follow the tendon and muscle. It will be located about halfway between the knee and the foot. If you find a tight spot, massage it out the same way as before with a hook thumb supported by the other hook thumb or supported fingers. For the pain in other toes, the trigger point may be found in Extensor Digitorum Longus, which lifts up the foretoes. To find it, lift up the foretoes and follow the tendons and muscles. Again, the trigger point will be located about hand width below the kneecap, but more on the outer side. If you find a tight spot, massage it out the same way as before with a hook thumb supported by the other hook thumb or supported fingers. Another place you can investigate is Interossei Muscles on the foot. If you have a pain in any of these blue shaded area, massage out the corresponding X with a hook thumb or other fingertips by wrapping the foot. Massage out the tight spot with slow, short strokes 10 times at a time. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.